The Maestro. Move 3 different cards on the board +1 or -1 row. If you move 2 or more cards from the opponent's side of the board, opponent draws 1 community card to their recruits. So while the Maestro might seem relatively simple, his combination with the blood chest pieces can pull up some really cool moves, and I'll show you an example right here. So it's my turn, and I'm going to start off by moving one of the 3 cards as my pawn into my allies, so that way when his play is finished, I can also activate my pawn for another play. And then I will take this 10 to get some extra points. And then I have my bishop over here. So I'm going to take the bishop, and the bishop's rule will let me take this 12 too. So technically I only moved 1 card with the Maestro. So the opponent won't get that extra penalty. And so, yep, that's the Maestro. So do the draw. And then I would, under normal circumstances, would activate.